What is cloud computing? It's your on-demand access to virtual machines, storage, and global networks. Leading platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud offer pay-as-you-go scalability and agility. Core concepts you'll learn include virtual machines, storage, cloud networking, and load balancing. Dive into identity, access, and billing models, and modern DevOps practices. Understand DevOps culture and workflows, and build CI/CD pipelines. Automate testing, deployment, and monitoring with containerization and microservices. Work with Docker for isolated environments and orchestrate containers with Kubernetes. Create scalable, fault-tolerant applications with automation and infrastructure as code. Use Terraform and Ansible for cloud infrastructure setup, automating server provisioning and configuration. Also included, cloud security and compliance, Python and Linux fundamentals, automation tools, and AWS databases. Enroll today and start building the future.